Happy Friday, everybody! Welcome to this week's STEAM activity. My name is Kinsey and I work at the Boyle County Public Library. This week we're going to be making JELL-O slime. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, you'll need some JELL-O. I recommend using sugar-free JELL-O just because it's a little less sticky when you mix it into your slime, but it can be any color or flavor that you like. Next, you'll need a bowl to mix it in. Then you will need some cornstarch. We're going to be using a half cup of cornstarch today. You'll need some water, a spoon to mix, and also a half cup to measure out your cornstarch. I'll give you some time to gather these things around your house and then come back and watch the rest of this video. Alright, now let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I went ahead and poured all of my JELL-O into my bowl here. I have about 1.2 ounces of JELL-O, that's how much I got, and remember it's the sugar-free kind. And then I have my cornstarch. So you're going to want to use about as much cornstarch as you do JELL-O. And you'll go ahead and add that in, mix it together. See how much that is right now. Go ahead and mix them all together with my spoon here. That should be just about right. So I used about half the cup, so you might want to try using 1/4. The recipe I was using used a little bit more JELL-O than I did, so that's why it's just a little bit different. Okay, now we have our JELL-O mixture and we're ready for our water. Okay, so you're going to want to take your water and we'll just be adding a little bit at a time and then stirring it together. So you want to keep stirring the whole time. Ooh, I can already smell the JELL-O. I got peach flavor. Tell me what kind you got. You can see it's already getting a little bit clumpy like slime, so I'll add some more water. And the rest is really going to be how you like your slime. So do you like your slime a little thicker? Do you like it a little soupier? Everybody likes their slime a little bit different. We make slime a lot at the library and I always enjoy seeing what you all make. We start with a recipe and then you can always tweak it to make it more how you want it to be. So like right now mine is a little clumpy and still soupy, so I'm going to add in a bit more of this cornstarch, which can be messy, so be careful at home. I'll see if that helps absorb some of my water here. Makes for some better slime. I might have added too much, so I'll add just a touch more water back in, just to make it a little more slimy. And since we're using JELL-O and cornstarch, that means that your slime is going to be non-toxic slime. So it's not exactly edible. You could eat it. It probably wouldn't taste very good. It smells good though. All right, I think I got my slime. What do you all think? There you go. Now we have some nice JELL-O slime. So you can play with this just like you do with your slime at home. And again, the more you mix it and play around with it, the more you can make it to be the texture of slime that you like at home. And that's how you make JELL-O slime. I hope you enjoyed making this kind of slime with our video today. Let us know how yours turned out. I'll see you next week for next week's activity. Bye, everybody!